Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the next practical of class 11th, and the name of practical is parallelogram law of vectors. Now basically we know the general and basic properties of parallelogram, but here our aim is to verify parallelogram law and find the weight of given body. What is law of parallelogram? It's a rule for adding two vectors as forces by placing point of application of one at the point of origin of the other and obtaining their sum by constructing the line connecting the two remaining endpoints, the sum being the diagonal of parallelogram. In simple words, if you make a parallelogram with two force vectors as the sides, then the diagonal will be equal to resultant force. You can see it over here. If I consider vector OA and vector OB are two adjacent sides of parallelogram started with point O, then the diagonal of parallelogram is vector sum of these two, again starting with the same point. It means vector R is equal to vector P plus vector Q. Which apparatus we require? It's a parallelogram law of forces apparatus, two hangers with slotted weights, a body whose weight is to be determined, thin strong thread, white drawing paper sheet, drawing pins, mirror strip, sharp pencil, half meter scale, set squares and protractor. You can check that all apparatus over here in this diagram. This instrument is parallelogram law of forces apparatus. Two hangers with slotted weights. A body whose mass or weight is to be determined. Thin, strong thread. White paper sheet. Drawing pins, mirror strip and rest of. We can see that diagram here. We are going to find out law of parallelogram by obtaining it on a whiteboard paper, and then we are going to determine the weight of a wooden block. For this, we are going to use formula of resultant vector. It's R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Everything is in a square root. There are three conditions. If theta is less than 90 degree, if theta is greater than 90 degree, and if theta is equal to 90 degree. If theta is less than 90, we are going to use this formula. If theta is greater than 90, we are going to convert that cos theta in the form of sine of theta minus pi by 2, that is theta minus 90. And if theta is equal to 90 degree, then cos 90 is equal to 0. So this whole term will be 0. Remaining part R is equal to root of P square plus Q square, where we know that P and Q are two vectors which we are going to consider as two sides of parallelogram, and the resultant is vector R. Theta is angle between P and Q. How to process this experiment? This experiment we are going to divide into two parts. First one, we are going to prove law of parallelogram, and after that we are going to find out weight of given attached body. Might be this process looks like kind of complicated, but after this PPT we are going to show you demo, then you will get to know exactly how it will be processed. Some observations we are going to take to find out unknown mass and resultant. Least count of spring balance we require, zero error of spring balance, and weight of unknown body by spring balance. We are going to take these all readings in the form of gram, and after that these two main processes to verify law of parallelogram and to find the weight of unknown mass. For that, we are going to take two different weights for point Q and for point P. We are going to consider three different weights and angle between them, and then according to these values, we know the formula P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta under root A. So we are going to find out observed weight, then from the diagram, and third one by using the formula. To find the weight of given body, what we are going to do, again we are going to take three different masses attached to point P and Q. Again we require the angle between them, and then R by measurement from the diagram and R by calculation. So in this way, we are going to find out mean value of unknown weight R using diagonal, mean value of unknown weight R using angle theta. Then the unknown weight of given body shows us the error is within limits of the experimental error. Some precautions we have to take over here. Use frictionless pulleys. Hanger and pulley should not touch the board. Sufficient length of the string is preferred. So when you'll go through these all process, exactly we can prove the law of parallelogram. I hope you understood, but for more explanation, let's watch a video. Thank you.
Parallelogram law of vectors. Aim: to find the weight of the given body using the parallelogram law of vectors. Let's understand the main parts of Gravesend's apparatus. Place a paper on the wooden board. Take pins from the box. Firmly fix the paper on the board using the pins. Take a thread and pass it over the pulleys and hang equal weights, say 20 grams, to both ends. Mark it as P and Q. An unknown weight attached to a third string is tied to the middle of the first thread and marked as O and S. Hang another 20 grams to both ends. Place a mirror strip beneath the thread and mark the points with a pencil at the edges of the mirror where its image coincides. Do this for the other two threads. Remove the paper from the board by releasing the pins. Place it on the table. Join the marked points with a pencil and a scale. Assuming a scale of 20 grams, OA is equal to 4 centimeters, OB is equal to 4 centimeters to represent P equals 80 grams weight and Q 80 grams weight respectively. Measure the either sides of point O with a scale. Measure 4 centimeters on a compass using a scale. Draw an arc from point B and another arc from point A joining the previous one and mark it as C. Completes the parallelogram AOBC. Draw OC. It is found that OC is equal to 4.3 centimeters. Record the observations in the observation table. Measure the angle AOB with the help of a protractor and note it. Complete the tabular column with the observations. Unknown weight S is equal to 86 grams weight. Unknown weight R is equal to 85.96 grams weight. Unknown weight is equal to S plus R divided by 2. That is equal to 85.98 grams weight, which is equal to 85.98 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilograms weight.